Hey guys, it's Janeena Chan. I'm so excited to be embarking on my bride-to-be journey. There are so many preparations leading up for the big day, including preparing for our future home. It can get pretty overwhelming, but I'm actually here because I'm on the lookout for the perfect washing machine. I heard that the LG WashTower is incredible, so I can't wait to discover it myself and see how it can upgrade and transform my laundry routine. Let's go shopping! So this is the LG Objet WashTower. It's so compact and clever, leaving more room for life's little other chores. It's so perfect for busy lifestyles like mine, and thanks to the one center control for both the washer and dryer, handling both functions becomes brilliantly simple. It's equipped with AIDD technology, a deep cleaning wizard sensing the weight and type of fabrics to customize your wash cycles. Plus, the smart pairing feature effortlessly syncs your washer and dryer, making laundry a breeze. The Turbo Wash 360 feature delivers top-tier cleaning in just 59 minutes, being kind to your fabrics. And if you need a quick fix, you can select the Quick Wash and Quick Dry with Prepare to Dry modes to handle small loads in under an hour. And for those 59-minute wonders, try Advanced Washing. It's all about efficiency. And for those with allergies, there's an allergy care feature too. Yep, wow, right? And revolutionize your laundry routine with downloadable washing patterns and smart control using the ThinQ app. Plus, I love the touch of sophistication with those sleek tempered glass doors and minimalist design. Clearly, napa-shopping na tayo. I'm so excited and I can't wait to use my new LG Objet WashTower, have it delivered to my home as well. So guys, super fun. That's it for me now. Don't forget to follow LG and Anson's official pages online to see what's new on their new appliances and products. So yeah, that's it for me. Bye!